Class 2nd English Literature Lesson number 1 Good night Tinku. Dear students, in this video I am going to read the lesson and also describe the story and explain to you. It was a bright moonlight. All the animals in the farm were fast asleep, but little Tinku could not sleep. I am not sleepy, Ma. But Ma did not hear him. She was fast asleep. Pa was also asleep. This means here is a little Tinku who is not able to sleep, but his parents are sleeping. Tinku turned left and he turned right. He lay on his tummy and rolled on his back, but he could not sleep. Tinku tried to sleep, but he was not able to sleep. So he set off into the night to see what he could find. Tinku saw the moon smiling down at him. He felt very happy. The night is beautiful. Now Tinku sets off into the night to find out what he could see in the night. First of all, he saw moon smiling at him and he felt very happy and thought that night is so beautiful. Now see here, question is given: at what time do you sleep at night? Do you read a book before you sleep? Now see here, question is given in the book. You have to do it orally, so leave this question. Now see here, set off. Meaning of set off is given: walked or run. Something flew by and hung upside down on a tree. What is your name, bird? I am not a bird. I am Bolu, the bat. I can see in the night. Now Tinku saw something hanging upside down on a tree. He was a bat. Now he asked his name and he said that I am a not bird. I am Bolu, the bat. Now again he is saying, I am Tinku the lamb. Will you be my friend? Now he is asking bat to be his friend. Now a few leaves moved in the bushes. Someone was hiding there. Who are you? I am Furry the fox. I walk around at night. Again Tinku meets someone and he said that I am a fox and my name is Furry. Hello, I am Tinku. Will you be my friend? Yes, I will. Two shiny eyes looked at him from a hole under a tree. Who are you? I am Molly the mouse. I search for the food at night. Then again Tinku met someone under a tree and he asked that who are you? Now he was a mouse and he said that he searched, that means he finds food at night. My name is Tinku. Will you be my friend? Again he is asking to be his friend and the mouse said yes, I will. Tinku heard a sharp sound from the grass. Who is there? I am Kari, the cricket. I chirp when it is dark. Again he met someone and he said that his name is Kari and his cricket and he chirps. Tinku and his friends jumped and rolled and played until Tinku yawned. I am sleepy. I have to go now. Now all the Tinku friends and Tinku himself are playing in the jungle. Now Tinku is feeling sleepy, so he wants to go home. Tinku ran home happily. He snuggled up to Ma. The night is full of wonderful creatures. Now Tinku is tired and he is sleepy. Now he went home and snuggled up to Ma. Now he is thinking that night is full of wonderful creatures. Means there are so many wonderful animals, creatures in this world. The bright round moon shone all night. Now Tinku is sleeping happily and the bright moon is shining upon him. And Tinku slept all through the night, and after that Tinku slept very peacefully. Now children, again I am going to explain you the story in brief. This story is about little lamb Tinku, who is not able to sleep and set off into the night to see what he could find. He saw so many wonderful creatures and thought that night is beautiful, or you can say wonderful. So here is a story of small little Tinku. Now you have understood, I hope. Now see here, match the following is given. Now you have to do in the book itself. Number A and number B columns are there. Now what is written on number 1? Bat. Now match number 1 with B. On a tree. Number 2, fox. Now match it with number D. In the bushes. Number 3, mouse. In a hole under a tree. Number 4, cricket. In the grass. Now children, in this video you have learned about the story. In the next video I will give you exercises and you have to do in the book itself. Thank you.